So today we're gonna do a little travel vlog for you guys. We're now currently here at the airport, as you can see.
Okay.
Check it out.
Have a lot of people.
Luggage over there. So right now we're about to go, of course, the usual airport food, because we don't have enough time, and we wanted to go over there at the California Pizza Kitchen, but we have pretty limited time because we came here a little late. So we're just gonna have this. We're gonna have a really long flight. It's going to take us at least 7.5 hours because there's no direct flight to our destination. So stay tuned. Welcome to the vlog.
See you again.
Alright guys, so we just finished eating. Forgot to tell you where we're going. We're actually, where are we going?
New York.
We are going to
NYC,
baby. Let's get it. What's up, fam? So we finally made it to New York. We just checked in our hotel room right now. Pretty tired. We had a long day of travel today. It was like a total of like almost 8 hours. 4 hours from Orange County to Atlanta, and then another almost 2 hours. No, actually, there was a layover in Atlanta for like an hour, almost 2 hours, and then another almost 2 hours from Atlanta to New York. So now it's midnight. Actually, it's 1 o'clock here right now. Midnight, or I mean, in the morning. We're really hungry. We're gonna go down real quick and get something to eat, and then I guess we're gonna get some rest tonight, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, fam. It is now the next day. Woke up in New York City. What's up? I had a good solid 7 hours sleep, so I'm pretty pumped up. But today we don't really have any plans, but we're just gonna go with the flow. Actually, Jeannie's gonna meet up with her friend later tonight. We're gonna go out to dinner, but for lunch today, actually it's already 12 noon right now. Well, New York time, but it's still like 9 o'clock in LA. Anyway, I'm gonna show you a little bit of room tour right now. Our room is super small. I don't know if you've been on a cruise before. The room is kind of designed somewhat similar to that. It's really small. The room is like a stateroom inside the cruise. So it's real small. Let me show you right now. Right, so when you walk in, sorry, the room is already super messy. There's a nice full length body mirror over here. And this is our queen bed. Jeannie's belongings are all over there. And there's another mirror over there. And there is a workstation over here where you can plug in, charge your stuff. There's a USB plug in here. And what's good thing about this bed is like this, check it out. It goes up and down. Look at that, can you see that? And we have a small TV over there and my stuff. And we have a vanity mirror over here. And this is the toilet and the shower. And that's pretty much it. And the good thing about it is our view. I'm going to show you that right now. Also guys, I forgot to tell you, our this one towel rack, it heats up. See, there's the power button over here. It says warm it up. I don't know if you can see it there. So it dries up your towel really fast. That's pretty cool. Also, we have a little vault here where you can put your important belongings and an ironing board. And of course an iron. You boy, you ready? And yeah guys, I can't get over this view. I can just sit here and stare at this view all day. Look at that.